certain vehicle, the hood latch open always broken. Normally you want to change the complete hood latch is a lot of work. Gotta take out the fender or go bypass that. So I find a solution. Either use this one, but not always you carry out or you can find that. So I offer you a solution. Use the household, the door knob, and use the thread and the fitting to re-thread the gear, and so you can put this screw in. That will create a hood latch. And let me show you how I do it. Just like this way.